प्यारी साथ संगत जी, वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Today, we have got an opportunity to share a Sakhi with all of you, and we chose the one that inspires us to never leave our Guru, no matter what. The Sakhi is about Charlie Mukte, the 40 liberated ones, the Sikhs who gave their life for Panth.
ਸਤਨਾਮ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀਓ। ਆਸਾ ਸੁਤ ਅਪਰਾਧ ਕਰਤ ਹੈ ਜੇਤੇ, ਜਨਨੀ ਚੀਤ ਨ ਰਾਖਸ ਤੇਤੇ। ਰਾਮਈਆ ਹਉ ਬਾਰਿਕ ਤੇਰਾ, ਕਾਹੇ ਨ ਖੰਡਸ ਅਵਗਨ ਮੇਰਾ। ਜੇ ਅਤ ਕ੍ਰੋਪ ਕਰੇ ਕਰਤਾਇਆ, ਤਾ ਵੀ ਚੀਤ न राखस माया। चिंत पवन मन पर्यो हमारा, नाम बिना कैसे उतरस पारा। देह बिमल मत सदा शरीरा, सहज सहज गुण रवै कबीरा। देह बिमल मत सदा शरीरा, सहज सहज गुण रवै कबीरा। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।
रामैया हऊँ बारिक तेरा, काहे न खंडस अवगन mera. In these words, Bhagat Kabir ji is requesting Vaheguru ji, Ramayya, O Vaheguru ji, how barik tera. Barik means child. I am your child. Kahena, a question saying why not. Kahena khandas. Khandas means to destroy. Afghan mera, take away all my Afghan. Afghan meaning all those demerits that are sitting inside of me. O Padshah ji, why not destroy them all? Gursikh Pyareo, there was a time when a beloved Gursikh who laid his head on the lap of Guru Gobind Singh ji and was living these words. He was crying out these words from his heart. Guru Gobind Singh ji, kahe na khandas Afghan mera? O Padshah ji, why don't you destroy all those Afghan? Forgive me for all of them. What was it that he had done? Why so much pain? What was it that made him cry out like this and make this request to Guru Sahib ji? Where did all of this begin? Anandpur da Kila, Po da Mahina, San 1704. It's winter season, and since 8 months, Sikhs are trapped in the Killa, surrounded by hill chiefs. The situation is getting worse. Food and water supply is running out. Sikhs are fighting from inside, shooting arrows, killing many, but there is very less hope. The battle seems to be lost. Guru Nanak Dev Ji says, one of the greatest pain anybody can ever go through are dukh vichoda, ik dukh bhook, pain of separation and suffering from hunger. First, the pain of separation from Guru, when a Sikh turns his back on Guru and tries to live his life without his Guru, the pain and suffering that it causes. And the other is suffering from hunger, the hunger that Sikhs are going through. They are ripping off barks of trees and trying to cook and eat those. Imagine that hunger. There is no hope left. Imagine the beautiful horses of Guru Gobind Singh Ji Maharaj, his fierce elephant who does chor seva, are suffering and dying in front of Guru Sahib. Imagine that hunger. The Killa is surrounded by hill chiefs, Turks, Wazir Khan's army. They are writing letters to Guru Gobind Singh Ji to leave the fortress. They make false promises that they would let them leave in peace. It's been long. Sikhs are losing hope. They are tired too. The hunger is taking over the promise that they made to the Guru. They go to Mata Gujri ji and request to explain Guru Sahib ji, let's surrender. We can't do this anymore, or else get us permission to leave from here. Guru Gobind Singh Sahib ji knows that the battle won't last long. He knows that Wazir Khan's army is also losing hope. He requests his Sikhs to wait a little longer. Guru Gobind Singh ji says, Singho, ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੁਝ ਹੋਰ ਹਫਤੇ ਕੱਟ ਜਾਓ, it's only a matter of time. You will see the fruits of this. But Sikhs think, what could a few weeks do? That couldn't be done in the past 8 months. Sikhs are requesting Guru Sahib Ji for his permission to leave, to which Guru Sahib Ji says, those who want to leave may leave, but they must write a Bedawa. If you cannot take this on, then write on a piece of paper that I am not your Guru and you are not my Sikh. Sikhs love their Guru deeply, but it's too much for them to take on. They wrote the Bedawa. They wrote, Tusi sade Guru nahi, te asi twade Sikh nahi. They wrote a note that we are breaking this connection. Many of them now leave the fortress, and the hill chiefs, the Mughal army, allow them to leave. They laughed from inside. Oh, has they see that the Sikhs are now leaving Guru Sahib Ji? They knew if they attack the Sikhs now, then they will stop leaving. But if others see them leaving, they would also feel encouraged to leave with them. Oh, can they? दूसरा दा हौसला भी समा हारूंगा. They will also get weak from inside and leave. And eventually, there came a time when Guru Gobind Singh Ji Maharaj had to leave the Killa to continue on his journey. And many of those that left are from a place called Majha. When they return to their home, their family, and their wives, they are asking, did Guru Gobind Singh Ji Pacha win the battle? How is it possible? We heard that you were surrounded and you ran out of food. How is it that you actually got victory? They put their heads down and they had to explain the story. They explained that no, it's not that Guru Gobind Singh Ji had won the battle and had victory or that the others surrendered. It's actually that we left. There was no hope left now. If we didn't leave, there is nothing else that could have been done anyways. Instead, you would have to come and pick up our dead bodies. They explained that they had to write a Bedawa to Guru Gobind Singh Ji Maharaj before leaving. The fathers of these Singhs, the wives of these Singhs, the children of these Singhs, they are shocked. They say, we would have rather picked up your bodies than you leaving our Guru like this. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਨੂੰ ਪਿੱਠ ਦਿਖਾ ਕੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਣਾ ਸੀ.
There is a gathering in a village called Chapal. Chapal is now in Taran Taran Sahib. All these majalis are gathered there. People in the gathering are talking. People are talking. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਗੁਰੂ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਤੇ ਕੀ ਕੁਝ ਬੀਤਿਆ ਹੈ? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਹੈ ਕਿ Guru Gobind Singh Ji left the fortress because they made false promises? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਕਿ Guru Gobind Singh Ji's Sikhs left saying that we cannot cope with this any longer? ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੁਣ ਇਹ ਝੇਲਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ? ਅਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਹੈ ਕਿ Guru Gobind Singh Ji ended up in a huge battle, a battle which he has lost. He has not only lost the battle, but he has also lost his tin pyare in the battle. He lost Bhai Himmat Singh Ji, Bhai Mohkam Singh Ji, Bhai Sahib Singh Ji. He lost his two Sahibzadas, Baba Ajit Singh Ji, Baba Jujar Singh Ji. He lost his sons in the Battle of Chamkaur. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਦੇ ਦੋਵੇਂ ਤਾਰੇ, ਦੋਵੇਂ ਨਿੱਕੇ ਸਾਹਿਬਜ਼ਾਦੇ, Baba Zorawar Singh Ji, Baba Fateh Singh Ji got separated from him with Mata Gujri Ji. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁਣਿਆ they were later captured and buried alive. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਕਿ Mataji left her body after listening to this news, ਅਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਕਿ Guru Gobind Singh Ji lost everything. His shoes torn apart. He's walking barefoot through the jungle. He lost everything. Bhai Maha Singh Ji, Bhai Bhag Singh Ji, Mata Bhag Kaur Ji, and many other Sikhs are part of this gathering who left the Qilla and they are listening to these talks. After listening to this, they decided to regroup and find my Guru. See how and where he is. They want to seek him to get his forgiveness. They go out and start looking for the Guru. By this time, my Guru has reinforced and reached a village called Ramyane. He's ahead of the game and knows his battle. He has gathered his horses and weapons and getting ready with his army for the battle. He's aware that Wazir Khan is coming with a huge army. Guru Sahib Ji plans to fight Wazir Khan's army at Kedarne Ki Tab. What's special about Kedarne Ki Tab is that it has a pool of water behind a well-raised ground. Guru Sahib Ji knows by the time Wazir Khan will reach there, his army would need water, and the high ground will give Guru Sahib Ji a huge advantage in the battle. All the Sikhs that seek Guru have now reached Ramyane, where Guru Sahib Ji is. They matha take and sat in the sharan of Guru Gobind Singh Ji Maharaj. Bhai Bhag Singh Chabalia comes forward and sits down. He says to Guru Sahib Ji, "Asi aap ji nu kuch salah deni a." The moment Guru Sahib Ji heard this, wo chup kar gaye. He remains silent, but Bhag Singh Ji continues. He says, "Guru, let's stop this. We can't do this anymore. Guru Sahib Ji, you have lost so much. Why fight? Let's put this all behind us now. We have got connections in Lahore Darbar and we can get you connected to Aurangzeb. Chalo, asi sulah kar lene a." Upon listening to this, my Guru says, "Sikh mera hai, te main Sikha da haan. Mistakes are human nature and Guru is forgiving. But showing your back in battle is not Khalsa's way of life. Rantatte te pith deni mere Khalsa da kam nahi hai. Te sulah, meri kis naal ladai hai. My fight is for justice, truth and principles. If you are willing to give your head, then stay. Else, be wherever you want to be. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਿੱਖ ਹੋ ਤੇ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਮੰਨੋ, ਨਹੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਜਿੱਥੇ 84 ਵਸਦੀ ਹੈ ਉੱਥੇ ਵਸੋ. The Sikhs choose to stay back. They fail to understand the Guru. Guru Gobind Singh Ji depart from Ramyane with his army. When Guru Sahib Ji leaves with his army, Bhai Ma Singh, Mata Bhag Kaur and other Singhs are talking. They are wondering what have they done? ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰਨ ਕੀ ਆਏ ਸਾਂ ਤੇ ਹੋ ਕੀ ਗਿਆ? ਕੁਝ ਦਾ ਕੁਝ ਬਣ ਗਿਆ. We came for forgiveness. And where have we ended up? They see the huge mistake they have made. They know Guru Sahib Ji is savior of both worlds. They know there is no forgiveness for their acts. But they also know that they don't want to live a life without their Guru. They decide to follow the Guru, give their heads to him. So now they leave for the Taab. While this all is happening, Guru Gobind Singh Ji has moved further towards Kalyane di Tab. He has taken a lead. His army lined behind the race grounds over the Tab. Bhai Maha Singh's army of 40 is now just short of the Tab, and he asked the 40 to make a promise. To make a promise not to allow even a single enemy to cross the hill until we have breath in our body. When they saw Wazir Khan's army, they did not wait for the battle to happen. Bhai Maha Singh Ji is leading the army. Bhai Rai Singh, Mata Bhag Kaur and all the 40 fought fiercely. But Wazir Khan's army is huge and outnumbers the 40 Sikhs. They go through the Sikhs, cutting off their hands, cutting off their heads, legs, limb by limb. They slice, through the 40. From the other side of the Taab, my Guru Sahib Ji is with the army. He's showering his arrows, helping out Mahasingh Ji's army. But now, each and every one of them has fallen to the ground. They fought fiercely, killed many. Wazir Khan's army is also tired. They need water. It's getting late in the evening. Wazir Khan asks Kapura Chaudhary, "Where can we go and get the water?" He suggests to go back 10 miles. He suggests if you go 30 miles forward, your army will die of thirst. You go back 10 miles and rest your army. Wazir Khan takes his advice and goes back. Guru Gobind Singh Ji comes down the hill. His army asks the Guru, "Who are these Sikhs who fought so fiercely?" As he walks among the martyred, he sees bodies torn down to the limb. He knows his Sikhs. He bent down his knees, picking up arms with kara. He picks up heads with kesas and kangas. He picks up legs with kacheras. He sees a body with gatra and he knows it's his Sikh. And as he's collecting the scattered limbs, he's giving them rewards. He's saying, "Eh mera 2,000 singa, eh mera 5,000 singa, eh mera 10,000 singa, eh vi mera puttara, eh vi mera puttara." As he's collecting scattered limbs, he heard a Sikh breathing. His face is covered in blood, but the Guru knows it's Mahasingh. Guru Sahib Ji ready his knees for Mahasingh and put his head on his knee. As he picks him up, he says, "Mera maa hai? Eh mera maa hai?" Pai Mahasingh Ji is taking his last breath. Request Guru Gobind Singh Ji, "O Guru, I have made mistakes. Rakh leo hamte bigri. Save me, I have disobeyed you." Guru Gobind Singh Ji sees Mahasingh's love. He asks Mahasingh, "Maha, I want to give you something. Ask, what do you want?" Sangat Ji, "Ramaiya ho barik tera, kahe na khandas avgan mera?" "O Lord, I am your child. Why not destroy my sins?" Now Mahasingh Ji is requesting Guru Sahib Ji, "O Guru, please take away my mistakes and forgive me. Please tear down the Bidawa that we wrote to you. Oh my Guru, please tear down the Bidawa that we wrote to you." Guru Sahib Ji says, "Maha, ask something for yourself. Ask something that you would need in this world or the next." Tutti Gandan Har Gopal, Sarab Jia Ape Pratipal. Maharaj, Sikhs are your sons, and ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਖਸ਼ਣਹਾਰ ਹੋ। ਆਪ ਜੀ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਕਰੋ, ਮੇਰੇ ਵਰਗੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਖਸ਼ ਦਿਓ। ਟੁੱਟੀ ਗੰਢੋ, ਟੁੱਟੀ ਗੰਢੋ, ਟੁੱਟੀ ਗੰਢੋ। ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ, ਆਪ ਜੀ ਉਹ ਪਰਚਾ ਪਾੜ ਦਿਓ। ਬਖਸ਼ ਲਿਓ ਪਿਤਾ, ਬਖਸ਼ ਲਿਓ। ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ, ਸੁਤ ਅਪਰਾਧ ਕਰਤ ਹੈ ਜੇਤੇ, ਜਨਨੀ ਚੀਤ ਨ ਰਾਖਸ ਤੇਤੇ। As many mistakes as the son commits, his mother does not hold them against him in her mind. ਤਨ ਸਿੱਖੀ ਤਨ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਮੇਰਾ ਗੁਰੂ ਬਖਸ਼ਣਹਾਰ ਪਿਤਾ। ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਪ੍ਰਵਾਨ ਕੀਤੀ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਪਰਚਾ ਪਾੜ ਦਿੱਤਾ। ਮਹਾਸਿੰਘ ਨੇ ਦੇਹ ਤਿਆਗ ਦਿੱਤੀ। ਸਾਰੇ ਸ਼ਹੀਦ ਹੋਏ ਸਿੰਘਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਹੱਥੀ ਸੰਸਕਾਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਤੇ ਕਿਹਾ, ਹੁਣ ਇਹ ਮੁਕਤ ਹੋਏ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। Sangat ji, oftentimes in our lives, we get in a situation where we have to make a choice. And on one side of the bargain is our Guru. It could be a choice between our Guru and our desire, our Guru and our ego. It could be a simple choice between our Guru and what others might think of us. And in that choice, we don't even take a second to think of the Guru. We turn our backs to him. We turn our back to his teachings. In these moments, we get so full of our ready-made excuses that we forget that we are sons of Guru Gobind Singh Ji Maharaj. We are daughters of Guru Gobind Singh Ji Maharaj. At times, we go to an extent that we even compare ourselves with the Guru. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ, even when we don't know the half of it. We mold their lives as per our comfort and forget that they sacrifice their comfort. They sacrifice their palaces, their children. Let's ask for his forgiveness, ask for his strength to walk on his path. Sangat ji, please forgive the mistakes we had made while narrating the Sakhi. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.